Prachi Valley Public School, located at Piripira village under Jaydev Panchayat of Balyanta block, celebrated its fourth annual function with enthusiasm and grandeur.
জায়গাটা গোটে পরিত্যক্ত জায়গায় ଥିଲା এবং ଏହା ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ଏ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଗୋଟେ ସୁନ୍ଦର ପରିବେଶ ଆଡ଼କୁ ଗତି କରୁଛି। ଆପଣମାନେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଜାଣିବା ଦରକାର ଯେ ପରିବେଶ ଆମମାନଙ୍କୁ ଗଢ଼ି ତୋଳିଥାଏ ଏବଂ ପରିବେଶ
grandeur. The program was held under the chairpersonship of Principal Mrs. Shanti Lata Parida. Dr. Pavitra Mohan Samantarai attended the event as the chief guest, while Dr. Sushant Kumar Dash graced the occasion as the guest of honor. School founder Mr. Pragat Kumar Behra and eminent educationist Dr. Satya Narayan Sahu were present as the distinguished guests.
बोटानी अध्यापक एवं अध्ययन करबा तांकर प्रथम जिनिस जीवन रे चाहिथिले जने भलो अध्यापक होवा पई किंतु भगवान तांको महर्षि जोगींकर शिष्य भाबरे तांको ग्रहण करा गला। आज जहां को आपण माने देखुचंती सी होचनी महर्षि जोगींकर जने डिसाइपल। जदि गोटे छात्र भलो डिसाइपल न होई परिबो से केबे भलो डिसिप्लिन सिखि परिबो नै। से जने भलो छात्र ठीक जोरदार करते दबा
एवं ए अंचलर जनसाधारण एवं मोर प्रिय कुनी कुनी छात्र छात्री सुशांत सान भाई सुशांत कहला जे मोर एटा प्रथम ओडिसा रे एमती को अंचल नाही जो अंचल को बारंबार न जाइथिबी। ए अंचल को बहुत बार आसी किंतु बहुत दिन परे आसे 2006-07 पर बोध मु आसी नहीं। ए अंचल विषय रे एठी आपण माने जानि चंती ए अंचल ऐतिह्य संपन्न अंचल प्राचीन उपत्यका इतिहास रे यदि हम इतिहास पृष्ठ को जीवा जेतबेले ये तो सभ्यता सेतबेले नई कूल रे सभ्यता मान गढ़ी उठुतला जो सब नई थिला से सब सभ्यता गढ़ी उठुतला 3000-4000 ताम्र युग थिला।
Addressing the gathering, the guests encouraged the students to pursue education with dedication and discipline to achieve success in life. Meritorious students who secured high marks in the current academic year were felicitated on the occasion. Prizes were also distributed to students who secured first, second, and third positions in various competitions. The program featured vibrant cultural performance presented by the students, which captivated the audience. The event was efficiently conducted by the teacher, Mrs. Runalisha Behra. Bureau Report, Kalingo Chronicle TV.